Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in today's video, we're going to unbox, show you the contents of the packaging of this Charmast 10,000 mAh power bank. And then thanks to the magic of editing, after I've run it through a few cycles, I'll give you my review of this power bank. Now, this is not the first time we've covered Charmast power banks here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We believe them to be good value for money and easily accessible through Amazon. As usual, I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this power bank, and I'll leave you to decide after my full review if it's worth your time and money. Anyway, this is a compact power bank. I'm going to take my jerry rig everything knife, just cut open the plastic at the side of the box. And there's a little detail. You can see it says 10,000 mAh Charmast power bank. The model number is W1150L. And on the back, it's got a few details. The key thing is that it's black. It says it at the top here. So I'm going to open the box. And inside the box, we have a little USB-A to USB Type-C cable. I'm assuming this is for powering up the power bank, and also charging your device. And then in a little plastic bag, we have the power bank itself. It says Charmast at the front. And I'm going to take this little plastic wrapper off. There will be people who will complain about that, but there you go. It's a nice little compact one. It's not as long as other power banks in the 10,000 mAh category, and it's pretty much the same thickness, if not slightly thicker. I'm going to tap the button here, so I'll give you a little readout. As it comes out of the box, you can see here it says that it's at 69%. That's 69%. Giggle, giggle, giggle. You have a couple of USB Type-C ports. Oh no, sorry, that's Lightning port for old style Apple devices. So that's Lightning in, so you can charge this power bank using Lightning. It has USB Type-A out, as well as in and out USB Type-C. So let's go over that again. Lightning in, USB Type-A out, it's got orange, so that's Qualcomm Quick Charge, and it has both in and out USB Type-C. And bonus, if you still have an old style USB, micro USB cable, you can use that to charge it as well. So very versatile in terms of ports. Essentially you have two out ports, one Type-C, one Type-A, three in ports, Lightning, USB Type-C, and micro USB. And on the back you can see it's rated as 10,000 mAh, the model number, and the details about input and output. Now, I'm going to go away, use this power bank over a few cycles after I've charged it, and verify what devices that I have it fast charges, what devices it doesn't, and how it performs overall. Just first impressions about the weight and the heft. It's not a light device, but you wouldn't expect a chunk of lithium battery to be a light device. I like the textured side of the device. It's less slippy, and it goes around all the way back, and it's nicely shaped, a bit like a pebble. But in terms of functionality, you'll have to wait. As you saw, it came out of the box with 69% charge. I'm going to put it through a few battery cycles and then get back to you. Now, thanks to the magic of editing, that will be just a few seconds for you. If an ad slot does come up, please do watch the ad. You'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks by doing so. And as usual, if you want to support the Tech Travel Geeks more, you can subscribe to us, leave a like, maybe leave a comment if you think I've missed something out. But I'm going to go and have some fun with this power bank over the next few weeks. Speak to you soon. Hello, so I'm back. Here we are with the Charmast power bank after quite a few charge cycles, as well as quite a few charging of my devices whilst traveling. Now, I've used this whilst travelling internationally on planes, and I have to say the size of this Charmast power bank is really quite good. It is very handleable because of its small size and its relative thinness. It fits perfectly in a jacket pocket with a cable. Now, speaking of cables, the cable that Charmast included with this 10,000 mAh power bank is not appropriate for fast charging your devices. But if you have a better quality cable, such as my 2W cable, USB-A to USB Type-C from 2W, this fast charges devices. Not only can we tell by plugging this into the power bank on one end and my Google Pixel on the other, you see that in a moment I'll say that it's charging. There we go. You see that it says it's charging rapidly. That is an indicator that it is working. Not only that, using another accessory that we've already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, we can see how much power is being pulled by the Google Pixel 8 Pro. In this case, it goes up to 10 to 15 watts depending on the state of charge of the phone. But it says that it's charging rapidly, so that's good enough for me. In this case, it's only pulling 9 watts. But with the 2-key measurement device, which measures the amount of power flowing through the cable, we're going to try it on the Infinix GT20 Pro. This is a smartphone I'm working on my long-term review for, but if we plug into this, not only will we get an indicator that the phone is fast charging, you can see that on the screen, you also see that it pulls 14, 15, 17 watts depending on the state of the phone. So it does actually fast charge devices as far as I'm concerned. In terms of charging, it plugs in with USB Type-C or micro USB or Lightning. I've mainly been using it with USB Type-C because most of my accessories now work on USB Type-C, but overnight it charges fully. From what I see, it takes around about 4 hours for a 20 to 100% charge, but that may vary depending on how you use it. I'm not going to go through some scientific testing of this device because there are so many variables involved in power banks that I think it's not fair to do that here. All I'm going to say is that I've been using this in Scotland during the summer of 2024. It has been used in temperature ranges between 8 and 20 degrees, and whilst travelling I've been in Europe and the temperature's been up to 30 degrees. I've seen no significant change in the behaviour according to temperature, but as I said, cable-wise, using my 2W cable and my 2-key adapter, I have noticed that it does fast charge my devices, whereas the cable that was included in the box doesn't do that. So overall, would I recommend this Charmast power bank? Definitely. This is a small, compact, powerful little power bank that does fast charge devices, so I would definitely recommend it. I'll link, as I said, in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. It will also likely have some offers on it depending on when you're buying it. And remember, Prime Day is coming up. It might be worth checking back on the price of this Charmast power bank, as well as other devices, on the Amazon Prime Days. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. This is a recommended buy from me. I purchased mine on Amazon. If you would like to support the Tech Travel Geeks, please do use the affiliate link in the description to purchase your Charmast power bank. And if you would like to see more of our content, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. As usual, if you'd like to speak to us about what you've seen in this video or other devices, please do leave a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you like this video, likes always appreciated. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.